what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, let's talk about the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, Google's flagship for 2018. And if you're having some great expectations about these two phones, or if you're expecting them to be mind-blowing, I'd say, tone them down because you might be disappointed. And in my opinion, the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL look ugly and they don't have anything new at all. So in this video, let's talk about some of the latest leaks and rumors about the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. I have some concepts and renders to show you guys. And with that being said, let's get started. Now, starting off with the ugly part, that is the design. The design of the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL on the base is going to be carried over from the previous generation phones. So from the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 2 XL, so on the back, you have the dual tone look with glass on top with metal bottom, and you have the fingerprint sensor on the back. You only have a single camera that might be 12 megapixels, and yeah, Google can change the megapixel count and the apertures. That's not clear yet, but other than that, they're not going with dual cameras. Towards the front is where the ugly part starts. So on the Pixel 3 XL, you have a notch which is bigger and wider than the OnePlus 6. You also have a chin that is bigger and wider than the Galaxy S8. So I don't know where Google wants to go with this. Also, you have two front-facing cameras flanking each side of a earpiece, so it makes it look like you have a face on the notch. Google, it looks ugly. Why don't you get it? Other than that, you have pretty much top-notch specifications. So Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM on the Pixel 3 XL, and 4GB on the Pixel 3. You have 128, 64, or 256GB of storage, 3000 mAh battery or more on the Pixel 3, and a 3500 mAh plus battery on the Pixel 3 XL. Exact numbers are still not out, but I'll keep you guys updated. In terms of displays, on the Pixel 3 you have a 5.8-inch OLED display, and on the Pixel 3 XL you have a 6.3-inch OLED display with the notch and the big chin. So you have got front-firing speakers on both these phones, so something is good about them. I guess apart from looking ugly, they might sound good. Other than that, Android P, as I said, out of the box. And Google is not jumping on the dual cameras. Also, they have two front-facing cameras, not for portrait mode. Google can do portrait mode and all those, gimmicks with a single camera and AI. Also, ultra-wide angle and telephoto can be a thing, but I don't think it's a deal breaker, not having dual cameras on your phone in 2018. I think the two front-facing cameras might be useful in face recognition and something like Face ID, which might be advanced rather than just using software. So I don't know what Google is looking for, but I hope whatever they're doing just works out for them because their phones look really ugly. Now, talking about the cost and the launch date, the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL might be launched in October, and the date might be mid to late October. And talking about the pricing is going to be similar to last year's models. So you might have the Pixel 3's base variant starting at around $749. And you can expect the Pixel 3 XL's maxed out variant to go above $1,000. So you'll be spending more than $1,000 to get an ugly piece of shit. I don't know what Google's up to, but thank you so much for watching, guys. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the Google Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL? Do you think it's an ugly piece of shit, or you might be interested in buying one of these? Other than that, this has been Yusuf Lad, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.